Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've been with me for a while, you know a couple months ago I had cleaned my battery connections and terminals to free them from acid buildup and corrosion. So tonight we're going to take a look at the battery and see how well that preventive maintenance has held up. So if you watched that last video on battery cleaning, you'll notice that I used baking soda and water to help dissolve and clear all the acid buildup out of the way, and afterwards we protected it with some white lithium grease. Now most of the time when I have cleaned my battery, I've not gone to this extent before, so usually it only lasted a few weeks to a month before I started noticing the corrosion and acid buildup coming back. So this time it's been a little over 2 months since I protected it as well as I did last time. So let's take a look and see how well it's held up. Alright, so bring you in here. You can start seeing a little corrosion right there around the bolt. Doesn't look too bad. Pretty much where most of that white lithium grease is, it's done a pretty good job of staving the acid buildup. I don't know if you can actually see down in there at the post. There's a little bit of acid buildup. Definitely is not as bad as what it used to be. You can see a little bit in there towards the back. But for the most part, this looks a lot better than what it used to be. But if you look at the battery here, just around the tops, there is some kind of moisture. I don't know what that is per se. But I was told that usually if you have acid buildup around your terminals, it's probably because there's been a crack somewhere around the post where it's been getting out. So one way to obviously alleviate this is to get a better brand battery, one that doesn't have any cracks, and then one that's just better rated. I probably am going to upgrade not only the battery but replace my the connectors altogether at some other point in time. I would definitely make a video on that when I do. But for now, I would say that this has staved off the acid buildup a little bit better than what it used to. So it may not be a perfect fix, but it does seem to help. So if you found this video helpful, definitely let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.